Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Slack on Windows PC in a very simple way. What you can do you can simply open any of your favorite browser, and then here you can simply search for Slack, download, then click enter. Then you're going to get first website, download Slack desktop and mobile app for Windows. If you click on that, then you're going to click on download 64-bit. After that, you're going to get the download option if you click on it. And now as you can see, the download has been completed. Now if you click on this folder icon and then simply open the slack.mix file, click install. And as you can see, the file is installing. Now you can simply minimize all of your background app. And as you can see, your Slack is rightly opened in your computer, as you can see. So yeah, this is how we can simply download and install Slack in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.